Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable cross-platform play on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and navigate to the extras option at the top. From here, enter the game settings, and now you will see the cross-platform option at the very end. Just enter this menu, and now you can toggle between on and off to either enable or disable cross-platform play. You will see a notice at the bottom left, which lets you know that those players from mobile will not be available. After making your desired choice, go back into the home page, and you may begin your match, which can now be paired with console players as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable cross-platform play on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.